Hello, we're Jessica, Ty, and Abby, and today we'll be going over how we connect the SAP and Google Cloud Platform, as well as a purchase order demonstration on SAP.
After following a video on YouTube on how to connect your Google Cloud Platform and SAP instance, we were able to do so. However, during the last step, we ran into an error and they are not fully connected as seen on the screen. After looking at the error, it says that we need more quotas as we have maxed them out. We went back to our Google Cloud Platform and saw that in order to request more quotas, we had to upgrade our Google Cloud Platform account. After upgrading our Google Cloud Platform account from the free trial version, we were able to put in the request and are now awaiting confirmation from Google. Now, Jessica will go over our purchase order demonstration.
Hello, I'm Jessica, and today I'll be showing you how to place a purchase order for a chain lock in SAP. First, you have to go under the Logistics folder, then under Materials Management, then under Purchasing, then under Purchase Order, then under Create, and then finally double-click on Vendor Supplying Plant Known. So that would be right here. Okay, so now we need to click on this button that looks like a tree and click on Request for Quotations. And then in material number, we need to search for the material number that we want to place a purchase order for, which was the chain lock. So to search for the material number, we can search for it in a variety of ways by clicking on that magnifying glass. Now, for this one, we want to search, let's say we wanted to search by material types. Then we would click on the form that said material by material type. Looks like it's already selected, so I'm just going to enter our material type, which in this case is HAWA, H-A-W-A, and under material, I'm going to enter *000. And then I'm going to click on this Find button, and then I can see that my chain lock showed up in the search results, along with other things that had a material of star or something that had 000 at the end. So I'm going to click on the chain lock and click on the check mark. Alright, and you can see the material number is copied in there. And when you're at the screen, just make sure that every other field is blank. And so now we can press execute. And then you'll see the 3 requests for quotations that were sent that we sent out on the left side panel to 3 different companies, manufacturers of what we want to order. And so now we can click on the change breakdown icon, which is over here. May have to expand it by clicking on these arrows. Okay, and so for this, we can see the vendor's name by selecting vendor name in this box, and then clicking on add sort criterion, so putting it over in this column, and then sorting by the vendor name by bringing it and sorting by the vendor name first, and then the purchasing document. So then when I click on this check mark, we can see that the vendor names showed up over on this left side of the screen. Now we want to click on the arrow on the right side of the select layout, so that would be under one of these options. So this arrow, and click on change layout. Okay, and now I'm going to select material from this right box and put it over into this left box. And then I'm going to click on the check mark. Now I need to single click on the quotation that I want to reference. And since that Midwest Supply gave us the lowest price, I'm going to use them. If I try to check these other ones, SAS should give me an error, assuming that we rejected them. But I'm just going to click on Midwest Supply because they gave me the best quote. And then I'm going to click on Adopt, or this button. This is the Adopt button to adopt their information. And you can see that the system copied the material into the standard PO chart. And then we can see that the quantity, date arrived, net price, other information. And then under the conditions tab, we can see the total value. which is 6,400. So we're on the Conditions tab now under line item. Now we need to go under the delivery schedule. And then we want to select the first row. So this is the item that we want to order. And then we want to click on this copy button, or sorry, schedule line split. And you can see that we got an error. So we can just correct that by giving each of these a scheduled quantities of 100. Okay. So now the state is okay. If you need to, you can also change the delivery date of the items. Okay, yeah, we're not going to right now. So now on the Material Data tab, check the box Info Update if it's not already checked. And then from the System menu in the upper right-hand corner, upper left-hand corner, we're going to select Purchase Order and Save. Sorry. And as you can see, we have a standard PO that was created, and every time you create like a document like this, or at least a PO, your PO is given a number. So that's how you create a purchase order in SAP.
Thank you for watching.